Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I returned from my holiday and I think we should check the market. Let's see what is happening, what is not. We also have a very important or very interesting video from Elrond the network where they describe how it all started, where they are going, and we have a very important announcement which we will discuss, obviously, and I will tell you what not to do in trading because I just made a pretty big mistake. Now, let's start with the market. I will just switch and make my face disappear. So let's see the Bitcoin price. As you can see, it's in this upward trend. I think it's pretty clear because it has higher lows, higher highs, and now we are expecting some kind of a return, maybe a bounce and going back up. Now my bearishness returns when we break this line, or maybe we do a lower low, lower than the previous one, and a lower high, lower than this one, this previous one. I think that will be a confirmation of a trend reversal. In the meantime, I'm in a trade with Ethereum. I'm shorting it, as you can see, and I started at around 1650. That was my entry point when it just confirmed and started to go down. I set a stop loss to 1760. Since then, I reduced my stop loss to near zero, and the reason is the following. As you can see, we have this rising wedge. Now, if it breaks out, then we will probably go lower and we will touch at least this point. This will be my first take profit, let's say, and after that we have a big support here, which was created some time ago, end of July. Now the thing is that this is an important resistance, and it could happen that Ethereum will continue to climb if Bitcoin doesn't do a trend reversal, meaning that my trade could be closed here if it turns back. If it bounces from here, I will probably close this short with small profit and start a long trade. Haven't decided yet. I just want to see how it will perform, but as it stands right now, I think the market is just cooling down and we might see some lower prices. So yeah, we don't know what will happen, but this is how I speculate. Let's go forward. Let's see Elrond. Elrond is, yeah, it's bouncing up and down in this triangle. If it breaks out to the downside, then we will probably see another 47 or 40. I think the 40 will be a big buying point. I also have some buy orders at $40 because I think at 40 Elrond is very cheap and it is a good place or a good point to start DCA or continue DCA. So this is how the trend or the market stands right now. I think we are chilling down a bit until something big, some other announcements or some other hypes or talkings about crypto will happen again. These points will be very good for low cost entries if you are DCAing, if you want to, I don't know, accumulate for the future. I think any point here is a good one. I don't think that in a bull market or after another bull market we will see these prices again. Now, what I did, which was very stupid, very dumb, and now I am, let's say, in agony. Maybe I'm not in agony, but something like that. I started to short yesterday Forex, which is the English pound and hoof, Hungarian forint. I entered here at 479 and I set a stop loss just above the 4082, which is here. I thought that this is a good resistance point, which is, and as you can see, I am in profit. Now, the problem is that on eToro, I locked myself out. And I should get a text message, a code in the text message, which I got, but not on this phone, because I have another phone with another phone number from another country, and that phone is at my place, which is 700 kilometers away, meaning that until Sunday, as you can see my background, I'm at my parents, I cannot access my eToro account. Therefore, my trade here on Forex is live, and I should have taken profit long time ago. Now, it adds to the story that I don't remember exactly whether I put take profit to 470 or 72. If I put take profit to 472, then I already closed this trade with a 10R, meaning that my take profit or my profit amount was 10 times bigger than my stop loss, which is a pretty good one, obviously. If I put it to 470, then you can see how close it is, I mean the price. However, this candlestick also indicates a trend reversal, and it might be possible that by the end of the week or by next Monday when the market opens, I will be in a minus and it will just close it with a stop loss, which I don't really want because this trade was so good. Important thing, don't forget your phone if you get any code to that one. and don't leave it in another country because yeah, it's not the best. Let's go forward and discuss what happened on Elrond the network. As you can see, they made this 2 years of Elrond the story, where yeah, many people from the team, they just tell the story, how they got engaged with Benny, with the project, how they started, how what happened, and yeah, what were the milestones, the cornerstones of the project. It is very interesting to see how everyone perceived this last 2 years. And they also make, I mean, Benny makes a very important announcement. As you probably could see on Twitter already, there will be an Elrond conference, the first one in Paris in November. We don't have exact dates right now or any link or anything, but it will happen for sure, and I will be there. I'm going with my new colleagues from Morningstar Ventures because, as you probably know from my last video, I joined Morningstar Ventures. We are making some podcasts, very interesting ones. Links in the description. Feel free to listen in and let me know whether you like it or not. Follow the Twitter accounts and yeah, just give me some feedback because feedbacks are always welcome. Tell me what you want to hear, what else you need, what information you are eager to obtain, and I will make sure to ask all the founders and builders. We have 2 podcasts. One is EGLD podcast, which is only about the Elrond network projects, and we have the MSC podcast, which is outside of Elrond. And I have guests from some very interesting projects, which are not necessarily built on Elrond network. Nevertheless, they are very good investments, I think, or very good projects to follow, especially right now as everything is at a minus 90%. Okay, I think this is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope everyone is okay. Hope everyone is happy with the market. I mean, obviously we could do better with all-time highs, but this is still pretty good. I will probably see you again this week. If not, then next week for sure, and we will just recap. Also, I am preparing a live because I think that is long overdue. So let me know in the comments if you want to have a live discussion. We can discuss about anything, obviously. Let me know if you have any questions, anything you want to ask me or other people from the community, and we will make it happen. Thanks again. See you in the next one.